Hi Queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat. If you're interested to see how I got this beautiful, quick, and easy fall makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome on into the makeup party. Today's video is just going to be super quick and easy. We're just going to be, doing our hair and doing our makeup, doing a little quick fall makeup look, just something slight. It's real easy for the girls. And I know a lot of people ask me about styling my hair, so I figured I'd throw that in this video as well. All the products that you see on the screen that you see me use will be linked down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, my hair is growing out quite a bit. Like, if y'all are not new here, y'all know I don't like to keep black roots for too long when my hair is platinum. I really prefer to re-dye my roots fairly quickly, but I've been holding out this week because I do have a particular video I have to film for a brand and I need to bleach my hair for that. So just keep an eye out for that video. But right now we just have to work with what we have, okay? Because once our black roots grow in, it's really hard to slick down my hair as easily when it's all platinum. So just watch me do that, and I'm gonna just throw this do-rag on to let that set while I do my makeup. So like I said, all the products that I use will be listed in the description box, so make sure you check that out. I'm just using the Good Molecules priming moisturizer that they sent me not long ago, so shout out to them. And I'm also going to be using the Il Makiage foundation. I don't use this foundation often. I don't know why. It's a really good foundation. The color match is beautiful, but I just for some reason forget about it. Like, I have so many foundations, I just had to remember to pick this up tonight. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna let y'all watch, learn. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below in the description box. Well, girl, not the description box, put them in the comment section, okay? But and I also use this NARS foundation just for a little bit of extra coverage in my problem area. Y'all know me, I like to be full coverage. So I'm gonna shut up now. Y'all watch the video, enjoy. I was just jamming out to some Summer Walker vibes. Yes, I've been on Summer Walker lately. Like, if you're not new here, then you might realize that I don't really jam to her like that, but I've been on the Summer Walker kick lately. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up for real this time. Just watch, and I'll pop back in later.
So gone over you. Silly on me. Devoted so much time to find you on Facebook, boy. I nearly lost my mind. Drive past your house every night in an unmarked car, wondering what she had on me to make you break my heart. I'm so wrong, so you made me feel baby. Nights I couldn't sleep, and let the sun reach home. I asked myself over again, what am I doing wrong to make you stay all night? And I think to call, what does she have over me to make it nothing to call home? You make me feel I'm so gone, so you make me
Y'all, today I decided to pick up my Fenty Beauty loose setting powder. I don't pick this powder up often, honestly, but I decided to use it today, and I actually like the way it turned out. And y'all know me, we're gonna do a simple eyeshadow look, okay? Because tonight just wasn't a night for all the dramatics, okay? So this is a very simple kind of like reverted smoky eye. I did the smokiness in the inner third of my eye instead of the outer third, so they give it a little bit of difference. But anyway, yeah, super simple, but y'all know me, so this ain't no surprise unless you're new here. So welcome to the family. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. All of y'all hit that subscribe and like button. We have finally hit 7,500 subscribers, 7,500. So we are now working towards 8K, and then we will be working towards 10K. So y'all make sure you subscribe, like, and share it with your homegirls, put it in the group chat, all of that. And I love you so much. Thank you all for supporting me so far. But okay, I'm gonna shut up again. Y'all watch.
Let me lay it on the line. I got a little freakiness inside. And you know that the man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say. I'm not about to pay nobody's way. Cause it's all about the dog in me.
Y'all, my makeup is finally done, but my hair is not dry. Oh my gosh. Like, it takes a long time for my hair to dry when I use that many products, but we just gonna go ahead and slip the do-rag off for the sake of the video. It'll dry overnight, but that's why you see some of my hair sticking up, because it's not even dry. Right, queens, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, if you want me to keep these videos coming. And we're gonna take it back to the old days when I used to serve y'all a little 1-2 at the end of the video, give y'all a little model moment, okay? So get into the look. We serving phase. Beats and love. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.